How to turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a Snapchat app. Sign in to your account. Tap Profile at top left corner. Now navigate to Gear icon at top right corner. This will let you access to the setting panel. Simply choose Memories option. Here you will see the option of Save Destination. So choose Auto Save My Story Snaps and then select Turn Auto Save. Once done, you will successfully turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.